Best password manager, Nordpass review. Hi guys, in this video, I'm going to be telling you about Nordpass. So let's get into it. So if you guys didn't know what Nordpass is, it's basically a password manager. So a password manager is a tool that you can install on your computer to store all of your passwords that you don't want to forget. Me personally, I've used Nordpass as well as other ones as well. Currently, I am using 1Password as well. I have it installed. It's great, but I have used Nordpass as well. I'm just trying to figure out which one is better. So first I used Nordpass. Now I'm using 1Password. So initially the difference that I can tell you is the pricing. So over here, as you can see, there are three plans for, uh, you know, Nordpass. And this is for the business one. If you go with the personal and family, you can see it's free as well. So there's also the premium as well. So you can save up to 50% and, family as well. Same with over here for 1Password. So for individual, it's $2.99, almost $3. But Nordpass is cheaper, and of course they give you all the basic options such as autosave, autofill, password, passkeys, credit cards, stay logged in. They're all very similar to each of them. The only main difference comes down to the pricing and which one you like personally. So there is no which one is better, which one offers you more stuff, because they all offer you the exact same options and the exact same features. In my opinion, feature wise and security wise, I would have to go with 1Password. But if we're going with price, then of course I would choose NordPass. Plus, if you already have a NordVPN, you'll automatically get NordPass as well. So it's a win-win situation, two in one. So in my opinion, NordPass is great and you should definitely use it. And over here, as you can see, you get a bunch of different options as well. You can attach files, scan webs, and many, many more. So, and it's cheaper as well, which is pretty cool. Almost $1.50 cheaper, almost half the price of 1Password. So definitely get that. So that is it for this video. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on post notifications. And I will catch you guys in the next video. And until then, take care and goodbye.